Good morning, students. Today, let us discuss about first class English. Here, Unit 1, Ammu and her family. What is shown in this picture? What do you see in this picture? Ammu and her family. You see here, where is Ammu? Where? Okay, here is Ammu. Who is she? She is Ammu's mother. Who is he? He is Ammu's father. Okay, next, who are there? There are grandparents. Ammu's grandparents. These are parents. Those are grandparents. Okay, here a small boy. What is he doing? He is riding a bicycle. Okay, who is he? He is Ammu's brother. Okay, children, you understand the family? She is Ammu and it is her family. Ammu and her family. Who are there in your family? In my family, me and my parents and my brother and my sister. Who are there in your family? Tell me. Okay. Actually, the families are only 4 members. It have only 4 members. Some families have grandfather, grandmother also, grandparents. A family consists with parents and grandparents also. Okay, who are there in your family? Tell me one by one. Okay. Now we will color the pictures. First of all, we color it Ammu. Whose family is this? Ammu's family. That's why, first of all, we color to Ammu. Ammu. Okay. You make your wish. Which color do you want? Like you only. Okay. This is face. It is become a black. Okay. Face and hands make skin color. The picture is very dark, that's why it's became a black in shade. Don't worry, color it. The painting was not good, that's why it became black color changing to. Okay, color completed to dress. Next, color to hair. Hair which color? Black color. Grandfather have hair? No, he is not have hair. Okay, all of the completed hair color. Next, mummy saree color. Make the saree. This is the border of saree. Okay, completed. Next, blouse. Next, father's dress. Okay, father's dress also. Next, B2 dress. Next, grandmother's saree. Okay, completed. Next, grandfather. Grandfather wear a white dress only. That's why I am making white color. Towel in orange. Okay, grandfather dress also completed. Next, Bittu Suska cycle. Ammo brothers cycle color. Okay, completed. This is the family picture. Which family? Whose family? Ammu's family. Okay, children. Thank you for watching.